Why your diets fail. Currently, with the massive load of carbohydrates in our foods, our bodies are conditioned to burn carbs for energy instead of fat. Because it is an easier energy source for the body to use up. The problem 1. Fat stores on the body as carbs are burned as an easy energy fuel. Essentially, we gain more weight year after year. 2. Carbs are not the body's ideal source of energy, therefore we are usually left feeling tired, stressed and drained at the end of each day. Why Ketosis Advanced works. Ketosis is the state where your body is actually burning fat for energy instead of carbs. Ketosis is extremely hard to obtain on your own and takes weeks to accomplish. Ketosis Advanced actually helps your body achieve ketosis fast and helps you burn fat for energy instead of carbs. The solution. 1. When your body is in ketosis, you are actually burning stored fat for energy and not carbs. 2. Fat is the body's ideal source of energy, and when you are in ketosis you experience energy and mental clarity like never before, and of course very rapid weight loss. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Easily get your keto, please click the link in description.